Alright, before we start, I want to make sure you have your N8N community edition installed and running. Then you should have a Google account and then internet connection is stable. So what are we trying to build? We want to build a contact form that we are going to automate it with N8N for free. You get, so that when someone fills out that contact form, their information is automatically received by N8N and their data is being saved on Google Sheet. Then we are going to notify them with an email, and yourself is going to receive an email that someone just filled your form, and no paid subscription are required. You understand? So it's what you can actually use for your business. You understand? Or maybe you are trying to offer a program, maybe online program, and you want people to fill out some form. You understand? So this is basically how to set it up. You understand? So step one, let's open a Google form. You understand? Now in your browser, I want you to open a new tab, just the way mine is here. You click to open a new tab. Then I want you to search for form.google.com. form.google.com. Okay, this is it. You want with the S, forms.google.com. Okay, let's click on that. So it should take us to the site. Alright, and now we are on the site, right? Now, what do you want to do? After you click on that, if it's required to sign in with Google, you are going to sign in. But it does not require you, just show like this. That means you are good and you are on this page already. Now, let's use this. Okay, now I want to click on this particular blank form. You click on this. Okay, good. You should see a new untitled form. As you can see it, a new untitled form at the top. Now I want to change this name, this particular name, to contact form. Let's change it to contact form. Tutorial. Let's put tutorial. Let's see tutorial. Okay, that's good. Contact form tutorial. You understand? And after that, we want to add our first question. Let's just add description first. To collect users info. That is good. Now we want to add our first question. As you can see here, you see untitled question. So now I want to change this one to full name. Let's use that full name. Full name. We want to correct their full name, right? Full name. So on this right side, we want to leave this one as short answer. See, short answer. That's what we want. You understand? That is why it's on short answer. Short answer. That's good. You can see. Then this required. You want to turn it on. You understand? This means user cannot submit form without entering their name. You understand? So it is very important for us to have that. Then we want to click on this particular one to add another question. Now to add another question. This is not corner. Okay, good. Now I want to add another question. What's our next question? I want to add email address. Email address. You can actually set up this on anything, everything like this. I've already done a tutorial video on that. You want to set it using N8N form, you understand? But this now I want to use Google form, you understand? So this one you still want to leave this one short, you get, and you want to turn on required. That way. Now that is good. We have full name and email address. Now let's add one more question, which is the third question. Add one more question. What would that be? Let's say the question is message. What is their message? Do they have anything to say? You understand? We have a message. Then the type should be on paragraph. You see, it's already on paragraph. On paragraph, long answer text. You can see. Now we want to put this one as required too. Is that clear? Like this long answer text allow user to enter a long message. You understand? Now at this point, our form should contain the full name, email address, and the message. You understand? So it's contain full name, email address, and the message. Now that is good. So right now, what's our goal? Our goal is to make every form submission appear automatically on Google Sheet. You understand? We want to be able to retrieve all the information that the user have already submitted in our Google Sheet, which is just like our data table. You understand? So Google form can automatically save response to the spreadsheet. You understand? So this is useful because you want to have a backup of every submission. Then we want to be able to search, filter, and export data. And as a business often use spreadsheet as a mini database or CRM. You understand? Now in this same place, you will see question and response. Do you understand? At the top, question and response. Now let's click on this response. We want to click on this response. So inside this response bar, you can actually see a green icon, which is Google Sheet. You can see. So we want to click on this particular one, this particular three dots, and we want to click on this particular red one and select destination. See, destination for response. You can see that. Then we want to create a new spreadsheet. And want to name it. What are we naming it? You understand? Let's name it our contact form. Contact form tutor. Good. Now we want to click on create. Right, we'll click on create. Good. New sheet publish. Let's view it. Good. We already have it. You can see. So all our information is going to be coming here automatically. You can see the timestamp, the full name, everything on our form. The full name, the email address, and message. You see, look at the top, contact form tutor. That's already automatically append the name. You understand? So this is nice. So even without N8N automation, all the information can still be appended here. You understand? All the information is still coming here even without the N8N. So Google will automatically custom this one for us. You understand? So yeah, there's not going to be a response yet because we have not run any automation yet, or we have not filled the form. You get? So why are we doing this? You know, at this stage Google Form is collecting the response and Google Sheet is storing them automatically. You understand? As soon as Google Form is collecting it, Google Sheet is storing them even without anything. Like this already work. So why do we even need N8N? Because N8N actually allows us to do much, such as want to send email, want to send to Telegram, want to send Telegram and WhatsApp alerts. I want to use AI to summarize or categorize message. I want to store data in our database, like our own database. Then trigger follow-up workflow. You understand? So this is cool. We have successfully created our Google Form and we have linked it to Google Sheet. Now let me show you what happened behind the scene. Whenever someone fill out the form and click submit, Google automatically stores their information on this spreadsheet. You understand? Now you can see we have 4 columns. We have the timestamp, the full name, the email address, and the message. This timestamp tells us exactly when the form was submitted, like when the person actually submitted the form, and the other three column collect the information entered by the user, the information they entered at that particular time. This other 3 column collect that. However, nothing else happened after someone submit the form. You understand? For example, I don't receive an email notification, I don't get a Telegram message, and I can't automatically send the information to another application. And that is exactly where N8N comes in. N8N allows you to take action automatically whenever a new form is submitted. So let's leave Google Sheets and switch over to N8N right now. Okay, so we are going to search for your N8N. Just come here, search for N8N.oi. Enter. So this particular one, first one, is it I already have my own here. So this particular first one should be it. Just click on it and sign up. So after you sign up, it should bring you to a page like mine where you can see something like create new workflow. Alright, so when you are in the home page, you want to create a new workflow. Just click on create new workflow. Now as you can see, this blank canvas you can see on my screen. Now this blank canvas is where we build our automation. Think of it like a flow chart. Each box we add on here is actually called a node. You understand? And every node has a specific job that it does. One node receive data, another node process it, another node send an email, another node store data in our database. By connecting this node together, we create a complete automation. But before we add our first node, let's think about the workflow we are trying to build. Like, ask yourself this question: what should happen first? You understand? So the first thing that needs to happen is that N8N must know that someone submitted a form, because right now N8N does not know anything about the form we created. So we want to make sure N8N is aware that we created a form and someone submitted a form. If N8N does not know that a form has been submitted, it cannot do anything. You understand? It can't do anything. That's why the first node we're going to be adding is like a trigger. You understand? Like a trigger simply is the starting point of every workflow. You understand? Almost every workflow has a trigger. You understand? That's what we want to call upon. You understand? So now I want to have a trigger. So without a trigger, nothing can actually run. In our case, the trigger will listen to the new form submission. You understand? We want to wait till a form is being submitted, so that we know that the form is being submitted. And once it receives the form, it will pass that information to the next node. You understand? And the automation continues from there. You get? Now we are ready to add our first node. I'm sure you understand what I've just explained. So now I want to click on this plus icon. You see, at the middle of this canvas, this plus icon. Then I want to search for Google Sheet trigger. Google Sheet trigger. Let's just check it. It should be here. Okay, yeah, we have it. Google Sheet trigger. How many trigger do we have here? I think we have 3 trigger. On row add, on row update, on row added or updated. And in this case, the event is going to be on row added. You know, when they add a new row, we want it to call the trigger. You understand? So anytime a new row is added to our Google Sheet, since every Google form submission create a new row in the spreadsheet, the trigger will automatically run whenever someone submits a form. You understand? That means we don't need any app script or webbook. Google form writes everything in the spreadsheet. You understand? And N8N wash the spreadsheet for new row. You get? Now let's connect our Google account. You understand? Now let's click on this and see, sign into Google account. You can see we want to connect our Google account. You can set up manually and you can continue with Google. You understand? So I just want to continue with Google. That is what I love to use. You understand? I want to continue with Google and grant it access. So you can just do the same thing, continue with Google. This is the account at the top. Just grant it access, continue. And that is all. Credentials successfully created. You can see, that is all. So we have connected it successfully. You understand? So this is good. So Google Sheet trigger account, it has been successfully added. You understand? Now under the spreadsheet, under this document, you want to click on this drop down and choose your file. You understand? So this contact form is my file. You understand? Then that is good. Then we select our worksheet. Which sheet are we working with? You understand? Usually it should be form respond 1, unless you have already renamed yours. So that is it, form respond 1. You understand? So now trigger. What is the trigger? For the next event, make sure it is set to next row added, new row added rather, new row added. You can see it's already on new row added because we choose it from there the right time. Row added, row updated, row added, updated. So we choose row added, and this is good. You understand? This tells N8N to monitor the spreadsheet and trigger the workflow whenever a new row is added or appear. You understand? Now let's test the trigger. You understand? So we want to test the trigger by clicking on this fetch test data. You understand? So we want to click on this one. You understand? Now once we click on this, we want it to fetch the test data. Okay, this is good. No Google Sheet data found. We didn't find any. You know, we have not filled anything. so it's empty. You understand? It's empty. You understand? So now what do you want to do? We want to go back to N8N. You understand? And fill the form. Sorry, rather, you want to go back to Google Form and fill the form since it's empty. Yeah, you understand? Want to go back to Google Form and fill the form. Let's go. Okay, it's our form. Let's publish. And we'll be link and publish. Okay, let's copy. I just easily paste this one here. Just open it up, paste and enter. Good. Okay, just fill it and submit it. Collect user information, contact form, not shared, indicate required question. Okay, let's say David Mark. I'm using my email address. I want to know more. Okay, now you have to click on submit. Good, your response has been recorded. It means that we submitted. You understand? And let's go at our N8N. Let's check execution. You see something here. Okay, this is it. You see, it came in, succeeded. Now, let's go here. Now let's fetch test data. We should actually get some information here. Fetch data. Good. You can see timestamp, David Mark, email address, message. I want to know more. So everything already coming. Now if we check our sheet here, we should see all this information here automatically. Even when we fill the form, we should see everything. Immediately we fill the form, everything should be here on this and that. You see, everything is already here. Everything is already here. Timestamp. Let's check 7/14/2023, and you can see everything is just there. See, look at detail. You can see there. This is 24-hour format, 23, 28, this 11:30. This one is in 24-hour format, while this is in 12-hour format. Then look at the date 7/14/2026, 7/14/2026. So this is working perfectly and very correct. You understand? Now this is good. You understand? So this actually confirmed that the N8N is now successfully listening to the new form. You understand? So every time someone submit the form, the Google form, the data reach out to our workflow automatically. You understand? So we can send email to them, notify them on Telegram, use AI to save data to our database, or perform any other automation rewards with their information. You understand? So this is very okay. It has been connected. You see, green. It has been connected with that platform, and this is good. So good. Now what do we do next? Right now our workflow only detects a new form submission, but imagine you are a business owner, like someone actually fills out your form, your contact form around this time or around 2 a.m. midnight, would you keep checking your Google Sheet every few minutes to see if someone contacted you? You can't just be coming here and checking if someone already contacted you to reach out to them. No, that does not make sense. Probably, you understand. So instead, you want N8N to actually notify them automatically. You understand. So that is exactly what we are going to do next. We will configure N8N to send you an email every time someone submits the form. That way, you don't have to keep opening your spreadsheet. You understand. Even when you are not always with your system, or you are not always with your device, so you can just receive the email on your mobile phone. You understand. So stuff like that. That way you don't have to keep opening your spreadsheet. You will receive an email immediately. The customer enter their details and submit it. Now, what do we want to do? We want to add the Gmail node. You understand? We want to add the Gmail node. So here you see a plus icon. You see that plus icon. Now click it. So list of available nodes is going to appear here. So we want to search for Gmail node. Now I want to click on this node and add it to our workflow. You understand? You will notice that N8N automatically connect it with Google Sheet trigger. You understand? That connection is important because it tests N8N after Google Sheet trigger finishes, run the Gmail node. You get, and this is how we build the workflow, one step connected to the next. You understand? So let's click on that. What we want to do, the action, let's just say send a message. Yeah, that's good. Let's send a message. You understand? So you should see something like this on your own end. You can see it's still showing red because I have not configured the node. Now let's configure this Gmail node. Just click on it. Just click on it. Sorry, I need to bring this back. Everyone is still going off. And now let's click on this node. It's still clicking. Sorry. Okay, good. You understand? Now for credential, you can connect the same Google account if you already have. You understand? You can connect the same Google account. Now my Google account is connected, so I don't have a problem with that. Then my resource should be message. So I do a message. Then my operation should be send. So I get on send. You understand? To you understand? So we are telling Gmail exactly what to do. You understand? We don't want to read email or delete email. We want it to send email to someone. You understand? And who is sending email to? It is we, the business owner. Just use your email here. You understand? You want to receive the email. You understand? Now what do we name this place? I can just name it something like new lead as our subject. New lead to talk. Yeah, that's good. Then email type, you can leave it as HTML, you can use it as text. If I prefer to use text. Now what is the message? You want to receive message like okay, we want to make sure their name is being mentioned. We want to be like David Mark just filled your form and dropped this message. You understand? Now we want this place, we don't want to write David Mark because we want it to be changing. You understand? We want to be applicable to everyone that filled the form. You understand? So we are not using David Mark directly here. Now I want to map this particular stuff here You understand? Because it's variable and wants to be changing. So we're going to map it instead of typing it, so that every name that is comes in is going to have their own identifier. You understand? If it's Gabriel Jesus that actually fill this form, the way we map it here, we're going to see Gabriel Jesus. But if you don't map it from here, that you type it, you are still going to be seeing David. You understand? So that is what that is basically about. So I already map it here. Now let me continue my message. David Mark field let's say David Mark just field your new lead to form and dropped this message. What message? Let's use this and then the message. Does that even need? Yeah, let's just use it. Then we want to map the message. What did he say? You understand? Because we want this one to change it too. So we just map the message. That is it. Now let's preview it on a bigger system. The remind just fill your new lead to form and drop this message. I want to know more. Good. You see, we are good. So once we execute this step, once we click on execute, we want to see everything here. You understand? All the information is going to come in. But for that, let's just append this. Let's append. No, I'm not going to append it because I want to show you what it does. Let me just leave it this way. Let me leave it on. You understand? Let me leave it on. Rather, let me leave it on. Yes. Now let's execute. Okay, sent. It said it has been sent. That means that node is not going to be showing red anymore. Let's check. Good. It actually went through. You understand? So let's go and check our inbox for the message. If we receive the message, you know, I use my address. So use your address so that you'll be able to check. Now, okay, and here is it. Open. You see, new lead tuto. David Mark just fill your lead tuto form. Let's open it. Paste it loading. Okay, opened. You can see you received the message. David Mark just filled your lead tuto form and drop this message. I want to know more. Immediately, actually append on my email. So you see this email was sent automatically with N8N. We don't want to see it. You understand? And that is why I wanted to put off this one the other time. Yeah. But I wanted to see this one. Append N8N attribution. You are going to turn it off because you don't want to see that. Now if you turn it off and execute and check, you will not see that. Okay. Now we should have a new message. Let's go back to inbox. Okay, new. You see, new. Now let's click on it. Look at it. Just fill a new lead to form and drop this message. Nothing like N8N here. You understand? So that makes sense. That makes sense. Let's go back to N8N. Now, immediately the user fill the form. We also want them to receive an email that we have seen their form. You understand? Something like, thank you for filling out this form. Our team will contact you or reach out to you regarding your message and stuff like that. You understand? Just for them to know that you have them in mind. So you are sending a follow-up message, maybe after a minute that they sent, that they fill the form, or 2 minutes, you understand, for them to be get updated, you understand. So they actually know you care about them and stuff like that, you understand. Okay, now let's proceed with that. Sorry, I was actually doing something. Okay, so same process, have the same procedure. How do I put it? Same procedure. We want to add a new node, which is still send an email. Now let's label this. Let's edit this. Let's edit it. You can just rename here at the top. Just click on this, then rename it to send a message to admin. Good. Rename. You can actually use small letter. I'm just using capital letter for whatever it is that I like. Now we want to do send a message to user. Send. Sorry, email. I should search email. Okay, Gmail. Now I want to choose this. Then send a message. Remember, I didn't send a message to send a message, not reply message, send a message. Now set everything up. Credential, where the message coming from. This is for where you want the message to come from. You understand? So if you are using a custom email, you are going to sign up with your custom email here. You are going to input your custom email here. Just input your custom email. You understand? Then message, it should be on message. Then send, it should be on send. Want to send to who? Want to send it to everybody that fill your form. Now you are not using your email here. You are using the dynamic email because you want it to go to everybody that fits out this form. You understand? Now this email, you want to map. You want to map this particular email address. Map it here. To who? To anybody that comes in here. You see? Good. Now what is the subject? Let's say tutorial. No. What is even our name? Contact form. Okay. Contact form. Let's say from contact from contact form should be subject. Then let's use HTML here. I don't like the HTML, let's use text, but let's just use HTML so you see. Then you want to say I want to map the name. I David Mark. Good. Thanks for filling out our form. Good. We saw your message and our team will reach out to you soon. Now let's drop down. Best regard. Best regard. Contact. Just a contact something. This is for the sake of tutorial. And let's like to reach whatever it is I want to type. I, David Mark, thanks for filling out our form, receive a message, and our team will reach out to you soon. Best regard, contact from team. Let me put full stop here. best regards. Best regard. Come on. Okay. This here, I think it's pretty small too. Can you reduce it? Okay, good. So we are good. We are good. So remember to pen this. I'm going to pen this. Good. Now I can execute it. If I execute, I'm still going to receive the message in this my email because I'm using the same address. Remember, you understand? So execute. Just what I'm doing is menu, say like sent. Good, sent. Let's check. Let's check. Okay. You see, this one is different. He said this one is new lead tutor. You understand? But this one is form from contact form. Yes, that was this. We named it as the subject. Now let's click on it. Okay, you see HTML, just writing straight. I did my text of filling out that form, share your message, and our team chat you best regard contact form team. You can see. Now let's change this from HTML to text and see the difference. So that's why I said that I prefer using this text. And let's execute. Let's check. New message will be new. Okay, let's see. You see, I give my thanks for reaching out. Thanks for filling out our form. We saw your message and our team will reach out to you soon. Best regard, contact form team. Very neat. See, this text is actually better than that HTML from me. Actually, from me, you know, it's better for me. So that is basically it. And all this information is going to be pending on our form. Yeah, if you check it, everything will be here. See, we don't have anything like N8N stuff. You understand? It was built with N8N. You know, we already penned that. You understand? So let's check our sheet. Let's check our sheet. Okay. And here's our sheet. Just one page that still fill the form. So we still have only just one information. You understand? So this is great. This is great. So everything's working perfectly. You know, just this workflow can actually continue. You want them to receive it on their WhatsApp, Telegram, and stuff like that. You can continue as much as possible. But for this particular, for the sake of this video, this is just what we are looking to achieve. This video is getting long, and I would like to end it right now. Now, before we end it, let's do a quick test. You understand? For everything, we're going to feed the form with a different email. Now let's publish. Remember to publish before you start anything. Got it. Now we're already published. There's our form. This is our form. This is not our form. English should be it. We already clicked. Okay, this is it. No, our form. Okay, let us recopy the link. Okay, then we'll paste it here. Enter. As it will published, we need to publish this too. As it published, it published. Good. Settings. You can customize the div, you know, color and all that. But that's not what we are here for. don't have much time. I just check around and just play around to see. Play around. Okay, publish. Now, okay, it's a preview mode. Preview mode. Now, let's copy. Open a new tab. Paste it here. Now let's fill this form. We are using a different information. Now let's use tuto Mali to Mali, then the email. Oh my god, which email am I using though? I don't know the email to use, cause so let's just use a random email. We're still going to receive for the admin, but we are not going to check that for the user because we don't know the email. So I just use a random email, thomas@gmail.com. Good. Every please so I need to use my 2 ends. I'm pleased to be part of this community. If you watched to this extent, please do drop a like and follow. Okay, now let's submit it. That was submitted. Now okay, it just dropped. Sorry, it just dropped. Let's check our email. Okay, is it? Just drop. Tuto Mali, just fill your new tuto form and drop this message. I am pleased to be part of this community. If you watch to this extent, please drop a like and follow. So you can see it actually came through and it's working perfectly just the way we wanted it. Now let's check our sheet. We should see that all that information was has been appended on our sheet. Now let's check. Now good, everything worked perfectly. If we check now, we should see that all those information are penned on our sheet. You understand? So let's check. Good. Tuto Mali email address and please to be part. You see, just the way we wanted it. Look at the time, 23:56, 11:56. So good. So this actually worked just the way we wanted it, and this is going to be the end of this video because it's getting too long. Thank you for watching and bye bye.